fact, the #1 cause of bankruptcy in America is medical bills. Yet, almost 20% of millennials aren't even insured. You guys are really out there playing Russian roulette, and the gun's loaded. Good luck with that. Life is expensive. Being a football player, it's probably a little more expensive because surgery. Like, I popped my Achilles a few years ago, and just the surgery, just them going in and repairing my Achilles was $10,000. Not the flight to get there, not the room, not anything, not the painkillers. So you're telling me I tore my Achilles and I don't have $10,000, so I just have to say, well, looks like I'm just gonna be walking around with a torn Achilles today. Like, that's not right. But not even just that. When my wife had our first child and I got those medical bills, it was $15,000 just to have the kid, to have the hospital bed, to get the epidural shot, to get the medicine, the necessities that they needed at the hospital. So now you're keeping people from having kids because now I can't afford to have a kid. It's one of the more disheartening things that you have to deal with, but health insurance will cover a good portion of that. So there you go. Now you know. You do not want to foot these bills on your own. Take it from me, your BOY. That's your boy. Do not do it by yourself. Get health insurance. Lean in. This is how you get health insurance. Pay attention.
I sure will, Richard Sherman. Thank you, sir. Ask yourself these questions before you start shopping for insurance. How often do you get sick? Are you someone who avoids a doctor at all costs? Do you take prescription meds? Do you have a nagging injury? You got somebody in your family who's gonna have some special needs. Look, guys, you gotta know exactly what you need before you go shopping for it. Step 2, the number of health insurance options can seem overwhelming. I mean, some are cheap, but they limit your doctor options. Others are more expensive, but they give you more freedom to choose where your health care comes from. And always keep a sharp eye on this deductible. That's determining how much cash can come out of your pocket, even with insurance. All right, step 3, now you're educated. It's time to choose the best plan. All right, if your employer offers insurance, they'll usually pay a percentage of your costs, so take advantage of that. If you're shopping on a budget, see if you qualify for any state programs or subsidies to help you out. Now listen, I remember, if you're about to turn 26 years old and get booted off your parents' plan, you got a very small window to choose your new plan. Don't let this slip by.
Don't waste my time. Get health insurance ASAP. You adult now. Adult.